How to set up Mailchimp and Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up your Mailchimp account with your Shopify account. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, first things what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and set up your account on both of these two websites. So you got to create a Mailchimp account, and at the exact same time you got to create a Shopify account. Now it's pretty simple, it's really easy. All you have to do is just simply click on sign up, and the sign up process is completely free. You don't have to worry about it. And then you just simply enter in your email address, your username, and a password, and then just simply click on sign up. Boom, you're good to go. After that, it'll ask you some questions, but you are basically signed up, and then you can go ahead and log in. So I already have an account, so I'm just simply gonna go ahead and log in so that you guys can know. So once you have logged in, this is going to be your dashboard over here. So this is how it looks like. So over here, you can send in your first email. You can start an automation, create a website. Mailchimp is a pretty amazing website, and it gives you a lot of different options. So once you've set up, let's go ahead and create our Shopify account. And Shopify account can be created exactly the same way. Just enter in your email address over here and just simply click on start free trial, and your account will be created, and you will get a 14-day free trial as well. And it's pretty simple. Now I already have an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in as well and wait for a couple of seconds, and you are now logged in. Let's go ahead and create our store over here. So simply click on create, and now it's going to create your store. Wait for a couple of seconds. Boom, there you go, your success has been created. And now over here, you will have to tell a little bit about yourself, like what are you selling, what is your current revenue, which industry will you be operating in. So you can answer these questions to get a better response from Shopify, or you can just go ahead and skip these questions altogether. It all depends on you. I'm simply going to go ahead and skip this question, and then boom, they are going to ask you to add an address so that you can get paid. So over here, just add in your country, your first name, your last name, your address, and click on enter my store, and you are good to go. And boom, there we go. And now we are logged in into our Shopify account, and we are good to go. So now you both have your accounts ready. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go into Mailchimp, and over here, come on to the right side, and you will see a bunch of different options over here. So you have audience, campaign, automation, website, content, studio, and integration and search. What you're going to need to do is you're going to go ahead and click onto integrations, and over here, you're going to click on add new. Now you will see over here, these are some of the integrations that are already added. So you can go ahead and manage them. And over here, you can get all the connected integration over here. So just simply click on find new integration, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and add a new integration, and it's going to take us over here onto this page, onto this site where we can connect apps to our Mailchimp account. Now over here, we just simply have to search for a name. So as you can see, it already says Shopify. And over here, we just simply search for Shopify, and boom, here we go. So now we have this over here, Shopify. We just simply click on Shopify, we click on the integration, and we simply click on get started. And then it's going to take you over to the Shopify App Store as well, so that over there you can add it as well. So just simply click on find app and just simply connect your account. You could even do this over here from Shopify as well. From Shopify, if you wanted to do from Shopify, just simply click on apps. And over here, it's going to take you to the App Store. And over here, just simply click on view more apps in this collection. And then it's going to take you over to the integration or the App Store for Shopify. And over here, just simply search for Mailchimp. And then you will see the option over here. And so over here, as you can see, it's asking you to install the application. Just simply click on install, and boom, wait for a couple of seconds. And over here, you're now connected your Mailchimp account. You have now installed it, but you haven't yet connected it. Now before installing, you have to import, you must archive, not just pause, any automated welcome emails to prevent rendering and stuff like that. So you got to set up over here, you got to create a backup, create a template. You got to learn more about Mailchimp's user levels, and all the existing cards and emails over that you'll have to recreate after the installation. So keep that in mind. And then once you've done all of this, just simply click on continue, and over here, connect your Mailchimp account. Over here, create a new account or connect an existing account to authenticate and sync to Mailchimp. We just simply click on connect. Over here, it's going to open up the Mailchimp's, pop up. And over here, just enter in your username and your password and click on login. And boom, there you go. Just simply click on allow. It's going to ask you for your authorization. And now you just have to sync. So if you have an audience, just simply click on select the audience and click on, and then just simply click on sync, and then just simply click on continue to overview. Now it's pending. Your store is in queue to start syncing any moment. This page will automatically refresh and show you the progress, so you don't have to worry about that. It's syncing everything, so just leave it at that. And after that, while it does that, you can come over here and view all of your codes, your promo codes that have been sent, your Shopify counter, customer tag mapper. Over here you can enter in tags like add customer tags, which must be kept in sync with your Mailchimp audience. You can add them over here, and then you have your settings option as well. You can create new customers over here, choose whether or not to create new customers when someone signs up for your newsletter on Continuum, which is our audience list from Mailchimp. In turn on or off the double opt-in settings to Continuum. Changing these settings will also change the current double opt-in settings for your Mailchimp account. So I would suggest keep these things over here. If you want to add new customers, you can, and stuff like that. So over here, as you can see, it is now been synced. We are good to go. So Mailchimp is currently reviewing live updates from your customer and order, and boom, you're good to go. And over here, you can just simply refresh the page, and you are good to go. Now your Shopify store is now connected over to your Mailchimp's account, and now you can manage all of your customers through Mailchimp as well. You can send out promo codes, you can send out emails, you can create new customers, you can keep a track of all of your things and stuff like that. So it's pretty amazing. It's really cool. And over here, as you can see, we have the Shopify account ready. It has the green tick over here, which means that it is now active and ready to work. So it's pretty simple as well. And you can go ahead and you can add other integrations as well. And if you click on Shopify, you can manage your sites over here. So if you click on manage your sites, you can actually see all of your website settings over here. So you have abandoned email carts, you have order on notifications, data processing. You can enable them, and you can add these settings over here. So you can add another site to it as well, accept the additional terms. So over here you can enable data processing and Facebook limited data use, and audience settings as well. Pop-up forms, it can embed a pop-up form on your site to grow your audience and sell. So you can add that. It can add a abandoned cart email, so you can encourage customers to complete their purchases if they've forgotten them, or buying an item but they forgot and they were doing something and they forgot about it. So you can add like that email so that they can receive that email. You can even add the product retargeting email, which encourages customers to purchase an item they viewed on your site. So, and you also can add a order nation, and you can also add an order notification, which sends out receipts and invoices and updates to your customers on shipping, refunds, and cancellation. Like, everything is pretty sweet and simple over here. It gives you a plenty of options as well. And you can add another site to Mailchimp for your Shopify sites, so that you can add these settings on that side as well. So as you can see, it's pretty amazing. It's really, really good. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you connect your Mailchimp. That's how you connect your Mailchimp account to your Shopify account, and that's how you can manage all of your settings as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you know someone who is interested in these types of videos, then be sure to share this video with them, so that they can also learn about Shopify and Mailchimp and all of the other videos that we post on this channel. We post daily, so you don't have to worry about content or anything like that. If you're interested, be sure to subscribe and turn on post notification, and share this video with your friends and family members. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.